Hey guys, it's me, Mr. Hollowhead, and I'm back with another video. As you notice, I'm not playing Valorant, Fortnite, Minecraft, anything like that. I'm playing this brand new game, Splitgate. I've played this with my friends a lot over on my stream. Go check that out, twitch.tv/ChezCube. If you notice, my name's not Mr. Hollowhead anymore. It's actually ChezCube, so I have to get used to that. Because honestly, Mr. Hollowhead, I got that name from Fortnite. I have it up here too, but I'm gonna try and change everything because I just feel like ChezCube's a better name than Mr. Hollowhead. Well, I'm playing Splitgate. Sorry guys, I've been gone for so long. I'm gonna start uploading more. I have a bunch of new videos, but right now we're gonna play some Splitgate. There is this game mode in Splitgate called, honestly, one of the best game modes ever, called Team Shoddy. So this game's really fun. You can play it on any system ever, on any system except for mobile, sadly. They have PlayStation, Xbox, except for Nintendo, and PC. So right now we're gonna choose a map. I'm gonna choose random. So I'll see you when we get into the map. This is a new game. I don't know if anyone heard it. It's a really popular game. So right now it's Splitgate. You used to have like to wait a long time to get inside queues, but now you don't really have to anymore. So it honestly kind of helps you get into the game, and it helps you enjoy it. So shoddy and snipers, it's basically what it tells you. It's shoddies and snipers, and I'm pretty cracked at this game. Honestly, I don't remember last time I played it. I think I played it a couple days ago with my friends. Winter did get a PC. I'll put that video in the comments down below. I helped him build it. If you check out my TikToks, then you'd understand why I did that. Honestly, I've just been enjoying my summer instead of recording videos. I've been playing a shit ton of video games, but I just haven't uploaded. I don't know why, but I am starting now. But I am going back to school, so I'm gonna try and make as much videos as I can while I have time. As basically, this is shoddy and snipers. You get a shotgun and sniper, and like this shotguns are literally OP as fuck. I mean, so good. Boop. They're so good. So basically, this game, it's portals, and with some of the portals, what you can do is you could throw grenades to break the portals, which is kind of annoying, because they should give you more, because they give you 2 grenades, so it means you can only close 2 portals. Oh my god. I'm pretty good with the snipers. They're actually really easy to use. What? Yeah, the shotguns are really easy to use. I mean, the snipers are really easy to use. See, I just destroyed that portal right there. Last round didn't work out so well, so we're playing a new round, and of course, Club Silo Naps. If you're watching this, Arturo, Club Silo, one of the best maps ever. Probably second best. Number 1, Olympus. I don't give a shit. Fucking Olympus is the best map ever. Club Silo, second best map. If you guys want to see some gameplay of me and Neps and Winter and Green on God, or I forgot what his new name is gonna be, but if you guys want to see any of us, you guys can go check out my Twitch stream. I'm in the description. All right, let's win this, boys. I always like this map so much because like there's so much cheesy shit that you can do. Holy moly, holy moly, holy moly, holy moly. So over time in this game, if you wait a second, like, and your health heals. How does he have 100 health? Sometimes this game makes no sense at all. Like, where the fuck's my team at? Yo, team, where the fuck are you guys at? You shitter. You shitter. Banana. You bum 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 banana bum bum. Oh, you bad at the game. Get better. Too easy for me. Get better at the game. You bummy baka. You're not good. You shit at the game. Cheesiest spot ever. Holy shit, bro. Oh! Oh, I can't do shit out! They broke my portal! Never mind, you can't do shit to me, bitch. Violet, this is voodoo. Doo-doo. You bum 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 boom da na na na. You baka bum. Oh, 80 damage. Don't do it. Don't do it. You can't. You cannot. Wombo combo. Where is he? Where are they? Boom, boom, boom. Oh, that flicky wicky. That flicky wicky. Shit at the game. Bro, I literally have no ammo, bro. I've been killing these kids too much, bro. Bro, I'm carrying this team so bad, bro. I mean, so much, bro, that I don't even have shotgun ammo, bro. Oh my god, bro. Bro. Okay. Alright. What do you act like a baka? Cowabunga! Alakba! Leroy Jenkins.
1 minute remaining.
Nah, it's Leroy Jenkins. Oh shit. Why do you act like a baka? Alright. Let's go. Boom. Oh, that's so crispy rippy. What the fuck did I just say? That was such a shit move. When you act like a baka. Oh, she's using my strat, bro. What a bitch. What a copycatter. We won anyways. No, let me get my last kill. Let me get my last kill. Yep, we won. Let's go. And that was Splitgate, guys. Super easy, super fun game. I know this video is probably going to be short, but I hope you guys did enjoy the video. 19 kills out of 50 kills. Honestly, that's a pretty good game. In the eyes of Naps or Arturo, that'd be a shit game. But for me, that's pretty nice, pretty good. I didn't die that much, so hope you guys didn't. Let's see how much I died, actually. To be correct. Match stats. I only died 8 times, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button and subscribe. More videos coming out. We're gonna have some bangers and oh fuck. So hope you guys did enjoy the video. Hit your like button, subscribe, and this was ChezCube. Bye guys.